So, good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to our grammar session. So, this is your second video on tenses, that is present tense. So, in this PPT, I will be covering present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. And the PPT or the video on simple present tense and present continuous tense has already been sent to you. So, children, in the first PPT that is already sent, we have covered simple present tense and present continuous. So if there is any doubt in this present, simple present and present continuous, you can refer the PPT, the video on present tense part 1. So this is the second part, second video, where we will be concentrating on present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. Okay, so let's start with present perfect tense. Now look at these sentences. I have painted the door. They have paid for dinner themselves. Okay, so when you see these actions like have painted, have paid, you can see that the action is connected to present. Okay, it is not completed like I have painted the door. They have paid for dinner themselves. Or even if it is completed, it will be just, it might be just they might have completed or something. So anyways, it is linked to the present. The action is like painting or paying of that bill. Whatever it is linked to the present. Now, how to form this present perfect tense? We have the structure subject plus have or has that you might be knowing with I have, you have, he has, she has, like that. Plus V3 form of the verb. V3 in the sense like it is a past participle form of the verb plus object. Now, I have worked there. You have listened carefully. He has cleared, like he has plus V3 it is cleared the table. We have walked to school. Now, when to use present perfect tense? So, present perfect tense is used to represent, used to show things that happened in the past, but it's not important when they happen. So, the action might have happened in the past. In the past means it has done, but it is not, but anyway, the action is linked to the present. And it is not necessary. Like when I say, like, I have been to Germany, like might be recently or just or something, but it is linked, the action is linked with the present only, and it is not at all important like when I had gone to Germany, it is not important, but I had gone to Germany, that the action is important, but when the time is not important. Like they have decided to buy a car, so the decision alone is important. So if you see the sentence, they have decided to, the decision alone is important, not when I had decided, it is not important, but they have decided. Second thing, for things that started in the past and that have continued in the present. Arun and Rishi have known each other for ages. So the action has started in the past and it is still continuing in the present. Now, with these time expressions like for, yet, never, ever, just, already, since. So when these words are there, usually in the sentences, we will be going for present perfect tense. Now there are some more rules. Before that, we can see like when to do with how to do the affirmative sentences, negative sentences, and interrogative sentences. It's so simple like I plus have plus V3 form of the verb played. Okay, played plus that is V3 past participle form of the verb played. Then if it is negative, we will be adding not. I have, then we will insert the negative word not, then past participle played. Interrogative, have or has will come first, followed by the subject, and then the V3 form of the verb. V3 in the sense like past participle form of the verb. Then we use present perfect tense in order to express an action that has just been completed. Like she has just finished her project. So just now that action has been completed. But it is a past action, finished, it is completed. But just some minutes before or some seconds before. To express past events for which the exact time is not given, like we have fulfilled our responsibility. So as I said, when the action, here it is again the fulfill, that action is important, like when it is not important. To express past events for which the exact time is not given, we have fulfilled our responsibility. Now to refer to the news, the president has, so as I said, like in simple present tense also we can use, sometimes it will be using present perfect also, uh, if it is with the news items. The president has pardoned some convicted criminals. has started. Present perfect continuous tense. Look at these sentences. They have been living here since 2019. I have been working all day. It has been raining all week. So here it is like continuity. You can see that continuity of the action. Started in the past and the action is still continuing. Okay. Now how to form subject plus has or have plus been plus verb plus ing plus object. They have been wiping. They plus have plus been plus wipe plus ing. I have been listening to news. I plus have plus been plus listen plus ing. Now, when to use it? As I said, the activity might have started in the past but have continued in the present. I have been traveling for a few years. That means few years ago itself I have been started. I have started to travel and still I am traveling. As we said, they have been living here since they started living here some ages before and still continuing to live. For things that happened in past but it's not important when they happen. So it is also the same thing like that of present perfect also. Okay, it might have started in the past, like, but when it is not important. Renu has been visiting her aunt. So most of the time, so like the rules are interchangeable, and you need to read the sentence carefully, and it can like if the rules might be same for some like in sometimes in the for the present perfect and present perfect continuous also you can use. For the verb can take take as the present perfect or the present perfect continuous. So you need to read the sentence carefully and as according to the subject verb agreement and according to the sense, you can change it. So here, if it is like if the action that has happened in past and if it is not important when that action has happened, only that that action is important. You can either use present perfect or present perfect continuous also. Renu has been visiting her aunt a lot. Okay. For things that are annoying, like if it is irritating, they have been playing loud music all day long. So, like to express your annoyance, to express your irritation, also you can use present perfect continuous tense. Now, how to form the affirmative, negative, and interrogative. Affirmative be plus have plus been plus the verb plus ing form. Negative we have just inserted the word not between have and been playing. Interrogative, have we been playing? Followed by the question. So, children, we can see the difference between present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Okay. So, the present continuous tense, it is used to show, to express the action that is going on at the time of speaking. When I say like I'm reading, so when I say I'm reading a book. Okay. So I'm reading something. So, but when the present perfect continuous tense, it gives importance to the period of time, okay, for which the action has been going on. Like when I say he has been reading for 2 hours, so here the action reading is not important. Instead, what is reading for 2 hours, he has been reading. Okay, for 2 hours, that duration it is more important. Okay, and then he has been reading for 2 hours, and his eyes are turning red. That means what? Here I use his eyes are turning. Now that action is important. Like the eyes have turned red, so that action is important. That redness. So I can use the present continuous tense there. Whereas when I give importance to that 2 hours, I can use the present perfect tense. And when I give importance to that redness of the eyes, as I said, like his eyes are turning red, I can give importance to, I can use present continuous tense.